Hello, this is Online Q's YouTube channel for online queries. In this video, I will show you how you can download and install AnyDesk app on your computer. AnyDesk helps you connect to other computer remotely, access and control computer via smartphone or computer. First go to AnyDesk.com. Then click on Download Now button to download the app. This may take few seconds to complete. Once the download is finished, open the app. This is the interface of the AnyDesk app. You can invite the person if you know their AnyDesk ID. Choose from the list of different access levels to provide to the person. Click on hamburger icon at the top right and click on Settings. Click on Privacy option. As you can see, AnyDesk automatically choose your desktop username, wallpaper and image as a default name and profile picture. You can change all of those from Custom option. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.